for the background noise and the AC units, but this is my raspberry bush. I had two planted. I don't remember what type this one was, but I also had a fall gold, and for some reason they don't ever make it. Just the red ones keep coming back. The fall golds don't. Oh, I need to spray that one. It doesn't look good. Oh, I have a ripe berry here. Maybe I'll pick that one. Give it to my daughter. Looks like some animals have been eating the other berries. But looks good. Actually, I was gonna put a stake up there and there, but I never got around to it. So maybe next year. Let's see here. Look at the blueberries. Now, I had labels on all of them, but they're all gone. I do know that this one, oh wow, I thought this one was the pink lemonade, but there are some that are actually blue, so it's not pink lemonade. But these berries are doing really well since I put a tent on them. So we'll get some berries this year. Wow, this one is loaded with berries. You see that? Look at that. All those berries. We gotta come back and pick them. I don't remember what type this one was either, but clearly a high bush. Maybe this one was the pink lemonade. I don't know. I know I have a pink lemonade, but I don't remember which one it is. I never got around to staking or putting a tent over this one. Looks a little sad. I need to do that. Those darn ants. And this is my goji berry. Uh-oh, not looking so good. I haven't been out here in a while. I had to do something about that one too. And my cherry trees are back there. Still no cherries. Maybe next year.